Hey guys, out in the shop today with my buddy Pierre, and we're going to be working on this 2016 Honda CR-V and changing front and rear struts. So let's get this jacked up and get started. Don't forget that Parts Matrix is the official parts supplier for this channel. And if you use discount code NHBH, you'll save even more off your order. With the car on the lift, we remove the wheels, then get started on the front strut. First, we unbolt the brake line from the knuckle, disconnect the sway bar link, then remove the 2 lower strut bolts. Under the hood, remove the plastic cover, then remove the 3 upper strut bolts. Now the old strut should come right out. Here we see the new struts we're installing are these Monroe Quick Strut, which make for fast and easy installation since we don't have to compress the springs to remove them from the old struts. So back on the car, we slide the new strut into place, making sure to line up the bolts on the top holes and install the 3 nuts on top. Back on the bottom, we slide the knuckle into the strut and slide the bolts in. With those torqued, we reattach the brake line and the sway bar link. Then with the plastic cover reinstalled, that's it for the front struts. Now for the back struts, we need to remove this plastic cover to access the upper bolts. With those removed, we move to the lower strut bolt and remove that as well. Then we remove the old strut and slide the new one into place. Then install the upper nuts and replace the plastic cover. Now on the bottom, we have to use a combination of pushing down on the lower arm and using a jack to compress the spring just enough to get the lower bolt back in. With the bolt torqued, it's now time to put the wheels back on and lower the car. Well, that's it for this install. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I'll see you in the next one.